The VOLT RGBW Micro Dot LED light is a compact marker light, just 1 inch wide, and is built to subtly highlight your outdoor spaces. Its frosted lens provides a soft, diffused glow. But what makes it truly stand out is its color-changing LED, allowing you to customize your lighting to match your mood or occasion. With the VOLT RGBW Remote Control, sold separately, you can not only switch up colors, but also enjoy features like dimming for the perfect ambiance. Made from solid brass with a durable black powder coat, it's built to withstand the harshest elements. And with a 10-foot lead wire, you've got flexibility in setup. UL listed and backed by a lifetime warranty, this low voltage light brings both style and reliability to your outdoor design.